need no games. All the stuff you say to me is the same. Oh, I don't need no games. And I ain't throwing no shade. And I ain't saying no names. No games, no games. No shade, no shade. No names. I'm cool with my fam, couple friends, and some Bel Air and like.
Okay, and we're back. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you how I make my turmeric scrubs. So if you can't see that, this is a turmeric, just a natural turmeric powder that I have. And as you can see, I would prefer using grounded turmeric. And then also I have my honey. Now, this honey is not something I would prefer, it's just something that I have. It is best to get some Manuka honey. Look it up. I'll put some information on Manuka honey. Okay, and then also I'm going to be using yogurt to make one of the scrubs. The yogurt scrub with turmeric is mainly if you have like oily, problematic skin, and we can get into that some more. And then also I like to use either some shea butter. Shea butter has natural healing properties. I'll put some information on that. It also is a antibacterial. It's good for hyperpigmentation, reducing scars. And then also one of the oils you can use is the rose hip oil. This one is really good because it's skin softening, promotes radiance, hydrates, rejuvenates. It's really good for restoring elasticity too. And then also, y'all see this is one of my holy grails outside of coconut oil, castor oil. And you know, get the natural castor oil without the hexene. Look it up. And then so this is cold press, solvent free, okay? So it's a natural humectant. And if you look up humectant, it's like one of the fatty acids that you find in also avocado oil. And so when you use something with a natural humectant, it naturally retains moisture. So any type of mask that you're doing, you do not want to get it dried out. So the first one we're going to do is the one with honey. And this one is really simple. Let's get you some honey. Open this up. This is good for tightening. So if you feel like you have sagginess, like I'm getting a double chin, so I like to use this one. So get you a bowl or something to mix it in. And I don't measure my stuff. These same masks, I have just kind of played around with mine a little bit because I have to go along with what actually works best for me or for Jordan or for whoever who's getting the mask, you know. So these same masks can be found online. All you have to do is Google them. I just grab a little honey. You can melt it if you want, but I would just say get like a good spoonful, okay? And use something, look at me. Use something. If I was making more, you would use more. So again, use less when you're just going to do a real quick mask. Use more if you want to leave some left over for another day. Okay. Then I'm going to grab some turmeric. I like to put on a lot of turmeric. Now, people who who are lighter than me, I wouldn't say use a lot because it can stain your skin, but that's where your natural glow is going to come from. When the sun hits your skin, and plus if you're adding in these oils, the castor oil, the rose hip oil, the shea butter oil, I mean, it goes hand in hand. It's perfect. And you don't have to worry about sun damage because all those oils hold properties that protect against the sun, okay? And then, so I like to mix it up to where it's like a creamy paste. If you can see that right now, it's kind of chunky, okay? So this is where I will add my other ingredient. I've already melted down some shea butter. So I'm gonna do shea butter with this one for right now. And this is 1 teaspoon that I'm using. And in my nighttime routine, you saw me use castor oil as a base for the scrub. I can't recall what ingredients I used for that scrub, but I didn't mix any oils in it. So if you're gonna mix oils into your scrub, you really don't have to use a base, okay? Okay, so now it's like a creamy, okay? And it's just ready to be put on. Most of the time, since this doesn't have lemon or ginger in it, because some of your scrubs you can use lemon or ginger, you can really leave this on for a while. Plus you're using this to tighten and tone, firm up your skin. It helps with wrinkles, the crow's feet. It helps with smoothing out your neck. Some of y'all got wrinkles in your neck. Okay, so you can use this. I just use the old makeup brush, and I'm gonna have my dear mother do this one. Y'all say what it do to mother dear. Okay, so just take your old makeup brush. You're just gonna dip it and rub it on. When you're doing the mask, make sure you have already kind of like prepped your face. So if you want to take a mild soap, shea butter bar soap or something to go on and clean the face. But keep in mind, turmeric is good for cleaning out your pores. So you can just wash your face with some rose water before you do this if you want to, or just get some witch hazel. Okay, put that all over. And you see she already has a glow about herself. Just put this all over. And you can let that sit, I would say about 15, 20 minutes. So, yeah, I like to put mine on my neck. Some people don't, but I should have known with her. This is gonna tighten. That honey is good for tightening. Then you got that shea butter in there. It's all going to come together. Firm the skin, tighten, tone, reduce any redness, blemishes, aging marks, acne scars, wrinkles. So this is a good one again. And then get your little container. If you have some left over, put you some in your container and you're good to go. And let's get on to that next. I like to use a Chobani yogurt. You can use whole milk yogurt, whatever yogurt. Coconut milk, if you are like a real strict vegan like my mother. Coconut milk, you can use it because coconut milk is just as good as yogurt. Plus it doesn't have the live cultures. So this scrub is really good for sensitive skin or dry, itchy skin that is real problematic. So one of my lovely YouTube followers and Facebook friends, plus we've been knowing each other for a while, Kamisha, she was telling me how she used turmeric before, but it wasn't agreeing with her skin. So hopefully one of these ways can help, because it is best to use as natural ingredients as you possibly can. And even with natural stuff, I'm starting to find out that even some natural stuff, your skin, your body is not going to agree with. Doesn't necessarily mean it's bad. Our bodies, our skin are totally different. Your skin may agree with something that mine don't. I may be able to use something that you can't. It doesn't mean it's bad, it just doesn't agree with you. So hopefully one of these ways will work. So with this one, you'll need to take a lemon, and I just like to squeeze the lemon. I like to squeeze. This is like half a lemon, average size lemon, and I just squeeze, 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 squeeze as much as you can out of there. I even take it and rub it against the side. I don't waste anything, okay? And then with this one, I was saying I like to use castor oil as a base anytime I do a scrub, but you don't have to do that. It's up to you. For this one, I'm going to put some rose hip oil, just a couple of drops. So that much in there. Okay. Then I take some. I'll take a measuring spoon. That same measuring spoon, it's a 2 or 1 teaspoon of my yogurt. I actually did a little more than I was supposed to. And then I take my turmeric. So I'm just using different spoons because I don't want to double dip mix ingredients after I put my stuff up. Okay. And you just want to mix that. Again, it's going to make a creamy substance. Now, some people like the actual paste because they like to scrub, and that acts as an exfoliant. You can really stop here because it's at that paste consistency. Okay, you guys can see that it's at the paste consistency, so you really can stop here. But I like it to be just a little bit more creamy. So I'm going to add just a little bit more. So that's what I say. Play around with it. Figure out what works best for you. Where you can't use the lemon juice, you can probably incorporate something like aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is really good. Apple cider vinegar. You can probably incorporate that in. If the lemon juice, or even limes, get you a lime. Key limes, preferably. So play around with it. I had to play around with it. My acne was really, really bad. I still have some scarring and spots, but this turmeric scrub has helped a lot, tremendously. Okay, Jordan. So Jordan's gonna come, and she's going to be my model for the next. Jordan's skin is one day it can be oily, one day it can be dry, and she just has different issues going on with her skin. Take it and go all around. And hers is a lot thicker. It's probably cold because the yogurt has been in the refrigerator. So this is one that you will definitely need to put in the refrigerator if you have some left over. Use it the next morning. Use it this night right here, and then use it the next morning. And I guarantee you, you will get a boost. Or a glow, I'm sorry, a boost. You will get a glow. And as y'all can see, it already gives off like a goldish hue, a goldish tone. Okay, you could really put some of that honey in there and go ahead and make sure you incorporate that in there. So I hope one of these ways help. If y'all want me to use something else, or if y'all have questions, let me know. Please comment. I would be happy to respond back to you. Most of y'all are my Facebook friends, or I see you on IG. So let me know. And y'all hear them in the back. Okay, and also I wanted to show what I got from Ipsy. It took forever for them to come, so I don't know what's up with that, Ipsy. Okay, so if you're new to Ipsy, or you have never heard of Ipsy, Ipsy is a company where they send you things, but you can customize what you want them to send you. You will take a little questionnaire. They'll ask you if you, what colors do you like in bronzers, foundations. They'll get your skin type. Do you prefer eyebrow products over lipsticks, glosses? Just go on to the Ipsy. I'll link my little code. That way you can just click on my code and tell them Mary sent you. Okay, so this is a cute bag. It's like olive green. This is so cute. It even says Ipsy right here. So let's see what we have. I like lip glosses. I love lip glosses. I love different natural things for the face. Okay, and they also included this little card. So when you open it up, it tells you your products there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is what I got. So I got another, this is like a little concealer buffer makeup brush. That's really cool. So it'll tell you everything that you got, okay? And then also right here, I got Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So I'm definitely gonna be trying that. All right, and then right here, ooh, let's see. I love mascara, I ain't gonna say I love, but I like mascara. So this one is Length and Volume Orchid Stem Cell Complex. So it's Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. So I really like mascara. I will definitely be using this or probably passing it on to my mother. Just depends on if it's thick or how it feels. And then also I got the facial oil. Oh my gosh, I was just talking about rose hip. It has rose hip and avocado oil, good for all skin types. So this will be really good. I'm gonna look them up. The company is called Feel. So these are not big, huge products because this is the subscription that I have is just $10 a month. You can do $20 a month and they send you actual full size products. So it's up to you, and you can always change it whenever you want. This is a face primer, thank me later, mattifying face primer. So those are my 5 items, plus you get really cute little bags. I like to use these if I'm going to go out somewhere. I don't want to like hold a big purse or wear my purse over my shoulder. These are really cute. I don't really use makeup bags for makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.